What's up, everyone? Dave coming back at you with my liquid latex decaying head. Several methods used for this. The main method, which I have a lot of pictures of, is using layers of liquid latex, letting them dry, and then using liquid latex to adhere them to this once plain skull foam. I got the idea from Diablo, so go check out his channel. It's basically layers of latex and layers, and I used a sculpting tool from Hot Wire Foam Factory to get in there for the mouth real deep, and the eyes and the nose, make it look like it decayed, and the ears, and then veneers for the teeth. I'm going to lighten it up with some lighter paint, but that's what it looks like so far, and I got some of that fake moss, and it's real easy. I'm not going to go into detail, but you get an old cooking sheet or pan, paint 2 layers of latex on it, wait for it to dry, and then peel it off using your own method once you get it down for a while. And that's the result. And that allows you to crumble this up, the latex, when it's still kind of drying on there, and you can make holes and you can peel it. As you can see there, stuff hanging over the eye sockets and mouth, have it dangling down, all kind of good stuff. So what I did is take this, it's an old backboard from one of my kids' indoor basketball hoops that broke, so I kept it. And after watching Diablo's video about liquid latex, paint, I would say probably 6" in length, 4 by 6 maybe, 4 width, 6 length spots, 2 of them, let them dry, paint the latex back over it, and once it dries, you just peel it at the top like this and pull. Then put some latex on here after you peel it, and put it on there, and it dries. And then you can play with it. Like I said, you can make it crumple up like that, put holes in it, all kind of stuff. It's fun, and it looks pretty gruesome.